We here at FP Outdoor Lighting Controls Sunrise Technologies appreciate you taking the time to view this short introduction to our wireless outdoor lighting control system. We call the system the WiOLC. Outdoor lighting is often overlooked in energy efficiency and sustainability initiative programs. The same lighting control methodologies that were used 40 years ago are still the standard practices that are used today. We feel our WiOLC system fills a void in available technologies and provides significant benefits to any organization that deploys the WiOLC system. The system consists of Lighting Control Communication Modules, LCCMs. They are dusk-to-dawn twist-lock photo controls where on and off operation can be overridden by a radio signal. Shown here are two base station radio options. The first is a USB base station radio stick that plugs directly into a PC. The second is an Ethernet base station radio that would be connected directly to a network. The third part of the WiOLC system is the Sky Control Scheduler software. We will talk more about that later in the presentation. An additional base station option is shown here. These base stations are used for control of remote locations and are accessed through the Internet. The options shown are for indoor and outdoor placement. They can connect to the Internet with an Ethernet or Wi-Fi connection. Shown here is an example of a parking lot with 20 lights that are controlled by individual dusk-to-dawn photo controls. 10 of the 20 photo controls were replaced with WiOLC modules. All of the lights turn on at dusk with their individual photo sensors. At 10 p.m., after the facility has been closed, a radio signal is sent to the modules turning off the lights. There is still more than adequate lighting for safety and security purposes. This example is a parking lot with 20 lights that are on a string controlled by a contactor. Modules were installed on 10 of the 20 lights. At dusk, the contactor energizes the circuit and turns all the lights on. At midnight, after the facility is closed, a radio signal is sent to the modules and half the lights are turned off. At dawn, the contactor de-energizes the circuit and the remaining lights are turned off. In the previously shown application with a common schedule of time where full light is not needed, energy savings are calculated to be almost $5,000 per year. Under the same scenario with a parking lot with 100 lights, savings are almost $50,000 annually. Your savings will depend on the wattage of your lights and your individual schedule. Every application of the WiOLC produces significant savings and a short payback period. Many organizations have calculated sustainability goals. WiOLC CO2 emission prevention is easily calculated. The amount of prevention of greenhouse gas emissions is a good thing and helps in the justification of the WiOLC. WiOLC modules can be installed on any type of outdoor light. This includes the oldest mercury vapor, high-pressure sodium, or the new LED fixtures. An enclosure for pole mounting on decorative poles is shown in the bottom right. No receptacle? No problem. It is a quick and simple task for any electrician to add a receptacle to a light. With the remote base station option, lighting schedules can be set from anywhere in the world via the Internet. All you need is power for the base station and an Ethernet or Wi-Fi connection to the Internet. With today's smartphone technology, controlling the system remotely via the Internet is the ultimate inconvenience. The Sky Control Scheduler software is so easy to use that anyone can set up the schedules without any training or needing to refer to a manual. The scheduling options are unlimited, so you can set any schedule that fits your requirements. The light level in the average parking lot for comfort and convenience purposes is usually far above what is required for safety and security. You will need to determine which lights you want to turn off and when, but generally, parking lots are significantly overlit during periods of minimal activity. The WiOLC is one of a group of green products offered by FPOLC Sunrise Technologies. When our engineers were developing the product, genuine effort was made so that the product would be good for you by producing significant energy cost savings, good for the country by reducing the dependence on foreign oil, and good for the planet Earth by reducing greenhouse gas emissions. The product installs painlessly and is simple and easy to use. We hope this short introduction provided you with some information on how the system works and its benefits. Thank you for letting us talk about our WiOLC. We would look forward to working with you on how the WiOLC could improve your specific outdoor lighting control system.